All right, guys. So we are here on CoinMarketCap. This is where I go every day to get my news to see what's going on in the market. And as you guys know, if you guys been involved for the last couple of days, it's been a bloody mess, dude. Everything is down more than 50%. Some coins are down 80%, man. It's really, really bad. Helium being one of those coins. I mean, Bitcoin, if you can see right here, Bitcoin has been doing things that we haven't seen in a very, very long time. At the end of the day, with stocks and crypto, as long as you hold the right asset, these types of flash crashes, they're a little scary when we're going through it. But like I said, at the end of the day, it's all going to go back up. We're just in a little mini bear market, I would say, in my opinion. But as you can see, we haven't hit these numbers of 35K until of June of last year. When we were here, we're trying to test a number, and then we crashed right here, and then we went up, and we were playing around with 35s, and we went up. Dude, look at it, we went up and up. How long were we right here? Let's see, from 622, pretty much from 67, or let's just say 520 all the way to 720, give or take. So that's 2 months. 2 months that Bitcoin was in this consolidating stage, they like to say, and people were like, oh, we're gonna go down to 20, oh, we're gonna go back up, oh, I don't know. So that's what was going on right here. And then all of a sudden, boom, we got one big monster green candle. Everyone felt like we were back in the bull run, which we kind of were, and then we kept going up. And this was from 720 all the way to 1115. So about 3 months. 3 months we had a nice little rise. Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, we're going down, and we're right here. We're hitting this stage right here. See this right here? This is where we're at. This is where we're at. So I think we need to go down a little more. We might touch 29K, to be completely honest with you guys. And then after that, we might pick up. Right now, I think everyone just wants to go back up, and we're pushing for it, but I don't think there's value in the market. Everyone's scared, and it's crazy. But enough about that. I didn't want to come talk to you guys about charts. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on in the overall market and why the price of helium is down. A lot of things are going on: regulations, governments, Russia banning mining and crypto. Crazy things in the world with the Omicron virus, and just things everywhere. It's just really, really bad. So helium is currently trading at $22.60. It started originally a lot cheaper than that, and it's significantly grown a lot. It's significant. Oh, man, it's grown significant. Sorry about that. And right now it has dropped a lot. And right now, that's all because of Bitcoin. Our all-time high was about 52. I saw it at $55 on crypto.com. But not to worry, guys. This, like I said, what goes down must go up. What goes up goes down. It's a never-ending cycle with stocks and crypto. So let's get into the real video of why you guys are here and my earnings with Helium with the hosting opportunity. Now, I've been doing hosting with Mint HNT for about 5 months now. This is my LA location. As you can see, things are decreasing every day. If you are in LA, I'm sorry, guys. The average earnings you guys can earn is about 100 to 150 HNT a month. So your ROI is going to be about 5 to 7 months, depending if you're splitting that with somebody else. And then the rest is all profit. It's still better than GPU mining in California, or saturated areas, I should say. But if you guys are getting into this because you want to make real passive income where it's making $20, $30, $40, $50 a day, Helium has lost that opportunity, in my opinion. That's why I am doing the hosting opportunity where I put these miners for people for free, and they get a percentage and I get a percentage for the install, and the company I work for, Mint HNT, gets that percentage as well. So this is the route I'm doing, and as you can see, my January earnings for 30 plus locations, actually 35, is 4.4 HNT. And as you can see, we took a huge hit yesterday, and it's because there's a new update on the Helium blockchain. It just pushed out a new firmware update, which completely killed a lot of the rack miners. If you have a rack miner right now, which a majority of these locations are all rack miners, they need new SD cards. The firmware update is so large that the rack miners cannot handle the capacity that the update has. So in the future, they're already predicting that the rack miners are going to need upgrades on SD cards. So that's going to be bad news there. So that's what happened. Half of my miners went offline. I'm over here in Nevada, so I can't really do anything about that. The other half are still working, so we'll see what happens there. Then this is my Nevada location. Most of the majority of these are all SenseCap miners with 64 gigabytes RAM. SD card. So these I don't have to worry about yet, but they are already prepping us for 6 months down the line. If the network continues to grow at the rate that it is, then these might be experiencing something as well, just like other miners. The Kirkland hotspot. I forget what the brand, what it was, but that one was recalled. Let's go ahead and just so that way you guys can see this one was recalled, and this is the first miner that I got, and it was recalled. It sucked because this miner, there was a sensor or same issue, SD card, it didn't download the firmware fast enough, and these cards don't have the SD card where you can get it manually. You have to open these things up and completely change it out. So this was a freaking headache in itself, and it just really sucked. So same thing is kind of happening with the rack miners, as you guys see. Nothing is happening with the SenseCap, which is great. My current earnings for my partner host, which this is all mine, is 3.34 HNT for the month of January, which is December I had 0, that's growing. And then for my host, which I'm sharing, I hit my month, which is the same amount of what I made last month. So everything else is growing. So that's about a week of growth right there, which is not bad. Any growth, I'll take it. So this I do share. This is mine. And then this is mine. So 4.4 plus, this still hasn't taken an effect. So let's just say 4.5. And then this hasn't taken effect, but just to make it easier, because I know I'm going to, let's just say 3.25. So 3.25 plus 4.5, we are at 7.25 HNT. That's all my HNT that I'm going to get next month, plus 7 more days of earning. Hopefully I can get to 10. Then this one right here, I do have to split. I'm predicting to get to 18, hopefully. If I do, that's 9 me, 9 them. Almost getting to 10 there. So that's not bad for these hosting opportunities. I was hoping to get closer to 30 this month, but this new update kind of killed me, and it really sucks. At the same time, guys, my miner that's in Nevada is offline, and then my other miner that's in California is averaging 0.05 HNT a day that I'm sharing with a friend. So there's not much action there, to be completely honest. So is this something that you want to do? You really got to think about it, guys. As far as investing $600 or $800 in the miner, and then finding the best location for it, and then if it isn't a good location, you have to be okay with moving it somewhere. That way you can make more of your return on your investment. So there's a lot of things that you have to take into consideration when doing this network, and it does suck. Because we're building it, and these updates too don't help it at all, but it is passive income, and it's really cool, and it's still better than GPU money. So I still recommend it if you know how to place it in the right spot, and you can find a good opportunity to buy it really quick. And the best one is fastminers.io, which I'll drop a link below. But that's all I got for you guys. I was just a real quick video on update Helium, how it's going, how much it's sucking, and I'm still gonna do it. Bye guys.